The Package Master feature is an inventory and packaging management tool that allows you to predefine your packaging material, like boxes or polybags, and link them to specific products. This helps reduce weight discrepancies, ensures accurate billing, and speeds up the shipping process. To navigate, click on Setup and Manage, and click on Package Master. On the screen, you can see all the packages that you have created and its details. You can click on Add Products to add products to a package. You need to download an Excel and add the product in bulk. To create a new package, click on Create Package. Give the package a name, pack the product inside the package, and measure the length, breadth, and height of the product. Enter the length, breadth, and height in the respective sections. Select the package type as box/carton or flyer/polymailer. You can save this package and add the products later. If you wish to add the products immediately, tick the checkbox. Add the package images that you wish to create, showing the dimensions clearly. Then enter the product SKUs you wish to ship with this package. You can add them manually or upload them using the bulk Excel file. Click on Submit Request to save the package. The package will be saved, and our operations team will review your product freeze request and approve your request.